Want crispy, healthy meals in minutes? Meet the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer. Upgrade your kitchen and simplify mealtime. Imagine family dinners. Fast, delicious, and guilt-free. Perfect for busy parents, fitness fans, or seniors. If you want to check the price of the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer, check out the links in the description. TurboBlaze technology cooks food evenly, every time. Enjoy a powerful 3600 RPM fan for ultra-fast cooking. Temperature range 90 degrees to 450 degrees for ultimate versatility. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, reheat, and more. 9 functions, 1 device, endless meal options. 5-speed airflow system ensures perfect texture. No more soggy fries or unevenly cooked chicken. Premium ceramic coating, non-stick, durable, heat-resistant. Basket and crisper tray are easy to clean. Dishwasher safe parts save you precious time. 6-quart square basket fits up to 20 chicken wings. Feed the whole family without crowding your counter. Quieter kitchen, operates under 53 BMB, even on turbo. Enjoy peaceful cooking, even during busy evenings. Use up to 95% less oil than deep frying. Indulge in crispy fries and snacks, guilt-free. Healthier meals without sacrificing taste or texture. Customizable preheat function for optimal results. Skip preheat for quick, hassle-free cooking. Precise heating delivers even results every time. No more guesswork, just perfect golden finishes. Automatically pauses if you pull out the basket. Resumes cooking with your previous settings. Safe, smart, and convenient for every user. Great for families, health-focused individuals, professionals. Roast veggies, bake muffins, or reheat leftovers. Make after-school snacks or meal prep with ease. Ceramic basket resists scratches and stains. Spend less time scrubbing, more time enjoying. TurboBlaze speeds up cooking, perfect for busy nights. Get dinner on the table in record time. Included recipe book inspires your culinary creativity. 30 chef-created recipes, plus a detailed manual. Don't forget to check the envelope in the box. Upgrade your meals. Taste the difference instantly. Perfect for kids' favorites or heart-healthy dishes. Crispy chicken, juicy salmon, or homemade chips. Proof dough, dry fruit, or keep food warm. One appliance? Endless possibilities for every meal. Space-saving design fits perfectly in any kitchen. Lightweight yet sturdy, easy to move and store. Replacement basket and crisper tray available. Plan ahead. Accessories keep your air fryer fresh. Use air fryer liners for even easier cleanup. No more stuck-on residue or messy baskets. Soft start motor means quieter operation. Enjoy conversation or music while you cook. Faster, healthier, and smarter cooking experience. Perfect results. Crispy outside, tender inside. Great for meal prep, snacks, or full family feasts. Make weeknight dinners stress-free and delicious. Impress guests with restaurant-quality results at home. No more waiting for the oven to preheat. Save energy and cook more efficiently. Easy to use, intuitive controls for everyone. Seniors and kids can use it safely. Automatic pause ensures peace of mind. Non-stick surface means food slides right out. Enjoy more flavor, less fat, every meal. Upgrade your routine. Make healthy eating simple. Transform your kitchen with Cosori TurboBlaze. Ready for an upgraded cooking experience? Bring home the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer. Cook smarter, eat better, and enjoy every bite. Order yours today and revolutionize your meals.